Creating Trojan. In this video, I will use Windows 10 and Kali Linux operating system. In Kali Linux, I will generate Trojan virus using social engineering toolkit, and I will share that Trojan to this Windows 10 machine. Think Windows 10 has some folder and it is shared with the everyone user with the full permission. So I will generate Trojan virus and I will put that Trojan virus into Windows 10's shared folder. When Windows 10 user will double click on it or run it, it will call the Kali Linux machine and will establish session with the Kali Linux machine. When connection has been established, Kali Linux will take control over the Windows 10 machine. So first make sure Windows 10 has Windows Defender utility is disabled. So first let me check virus and threat protection settings. Go to the virus and threat protection setting. It is off. Okay. Now we need to check IP address of the Windows 10 machine. Windows 10 has IP address .128. I have created hack_dir folder and I have shared it. If you want to share folder, just right click on it, go to the properties, click on sharing, click on advanced sharing, click on share this folder, go to the permission, select everyone and click on full control. And we need to click on apply and OK. Now need to go to the Kali box, open terminal and give command ifconfig. So Windows 10 has .128 IP address and Kali Linux has .129. Now just open a new tab in Kali Linux and type SE toolkit and give enter. Give number 1, give number 9, PowerShell attack vector, give number 1, PowerShell alphanumeric shellcode injector, give IP address of the attacker, IP address is 129. Use 443 for reverse connection. If firewall is configured that, so firewall will understand client is establishing connection with the HTTPS and will not deep scan to that packet, and Trojan will establish connection successfully to the Kali box. So do you want to start the listener now? Yes. Here you can see Trojan will generate under this folder. So we need to just go to the root. Here you can see show hidden file, just click it, go to the set, go to the reports, PowerShell. Here you can see x86 PowerShell injection.txt. Just rename it with the fun.txt.bat and just copy it. Now click to the other location. Here define SMB colon //192.168.159.128. It is IP address of Windows 10 machine. And just click on connect. Give username of the remote machine. and give password of it. Just click on connect. Here you can see hack_dir directory is available. Just paste that virus to the hack_dir folder. Now we just go to the Windows 10 machine, open hack_dir and just run fun_txt. It will establish connection with the Kali Linux. Here you can see meter session 1 opened with the 129 using port number 443 with the 128 using 1973 port number. So use sessions command to get session information. If you want to establish session with the session 1, just use sessions_i1. If you don't know commands of meterpreter, just use question mark. It will give you information about the commands. Here you can see these are the core commands. So if you want to scan remote machines, now let me take control over the machine using some command. Like here you can see commands like get user ID information, like machine ID information. You can check background run information. So if you want to take help, just use help command. It will give you help information of the machine. So let me check sessions information. There is no any sessions available. If you want to check machine ID information, machine_id, it will try to gather machine ID information of the remote machine. It is timeout, not an issue. Just use info command. Now let me use UUID, the UID information of the remote machine. Let me check GUID information of the remote machine. Here you can see GUID information. You can also run bglist command if background information is available with this meterpreter. Now let me exit from this machine. So hope you understand how you can generate Trojan virus and will take control over the machine using Trojan. So thank you for watching this video.